Hey everybody, happy Monday. It is the week of May 4th. We are going to be doing a virtual field trip again on Friday. So the goal is to get through all of this work by Thursday. That way the only thing that you have to worry about is field trip Friday. That's it. So we are going to be doing the whole week again. That way I'm giving you all your assignments up front and you can kind of decide when you're doing them. So I would like to walk you through each one of them right now. So when you are in the Math and Science Distance Learning with Farber, you can click on classwork. You're going to notice this week of May 4th through the 8th. We are going to be talking about area. You learned this in 3rd grade, and actually we've been doing area models for multiplication, which is finding the area. So you are going to be practicing area, which is everything on the inside of the rectangles and the squares and the shapes that we've been doing. Last week was perimeter. Perimeter is around the outside, like taking a walk around the shape. Area is now on the inside. So this would be like painting a wall or laying down carpet, those sort of things. So I'm going to walk you through your assignments. So here we go. You are going to need to complete these in order again. There are no passwords this week, but this order will help you be the most successful for the quiz, which is number 6. If you notice, all of these are due May 11th. May 11th is next Monday. So you're getting a full week to do these. So here we go. First one is just an ed puzzle. You're going to actually be walking through multiplication again, just to kind of get you back into that area model kind of mindset. I know we haven't been doing those very often. Now we are going to go over to number 2. Number 2 is an area mini lesson. If you click on that, you are just going to walk through all of these slides and you're just going to read them and walk through all of them. Some of them are going to maybe ask a question like this one. It says a strategy is to multiply the length times the width in order to find the area. Then it tells you move the page for the answer. So if I do 5 times 3, that should mean that there are 15 squares inside this rectangle. So if I slide this over, notice it says 15 square units. So that is good to go. So after you're done with that, you are just going to turn that in. Then you are going to move on to number 3. Number 3 is another ed puzzle on area. Okay. Number 4 is an assignment. So number 4 is actually every one of you is going to open up your own Google Slides and you're going to actually complete this assignment. So when you're done and you click turn in, I'll be able to see all your answers. So if you look here, like this one says, what is the area? And it says click and drag them over. So if I think the area is, the formula for area is length times width times height, which is wrong, by the way, I would just drag my answer over. I would drag my answer over, drag my answer over, and then I'd move on to the next one. This next one says, which one is which? This says the area is 21 square units. This one says the area is 25. So I would have to look. One way to find area is you could simply count all the inner squares if you would like. That takes a while, especially as the shape gets bigger, but if you would like to do that in order to figure out which is which, you can just click and drag, okay? Then when you're finished with this, you'll turn this in to me by clicking the turn in button, and then I will be able to see all your answers and to see how you're doing with area, okay? And that's getting you ready for number 5. Number 5 is a game. So I'm going to click out of this and go back to the screen. This is a game where you are trying to earn coins. Notice these are the directions. Play the game and get 2 coins. Then you take a screenshot and attach it to the assignment. So I'm going to click on this game. You have to climb the ladder in order to get 1 coin. So the first question is, which color shape has an area of 12 square units? Okay, so I'm looking for a rectangle. that has 12. I'm counting the inside of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to click on blue, and my guy's going to move up one. So you're just going to collect 2 coins. When down here it says 2 coins, go ahead and take a screenshot of this game, send it to me, and you're good to go with number 5. Then the final one is number 6, and that is a Google form where you are taking a quiz. You can only take this quiz 1 time, so it's really important that you do steps 1 through 5 before you do step number 6. As always, we also have 1 thing a day for you to be working on. You've got a math question on Monday, that's due on Wednesday. You've got 4Os on Tuesday, that's due on Thursday. Which one doesn't belong is due on Monday, May 11th, just like all these. And then this 4Os for Thursday will also be due on May 11th. These are grayed out on my screen because they're scheduled to post tomorrow. So those are your assignments for the week. I will be having Zooms this week as well, so be looking for that information. And as always, let me know if you need any help. We'll see you guys later. Have a great week.